truck warm up a little bit. But shoot, while I got a little time. Yeah, man, like these shops, it don't make no sense. The shop culture, you know, it's bad. Like, it's really bad. You know, you try to give people a chance, and it just, I don't know, it's the lack of, I mean, it's a bunch of it's a bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Communication, everything. You know what I'm saying? They be quick to take your money. You know what I'm saying? First and foremost, you know what I'm saying? Up front or whatever have. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you got planned, they be quick to take that money. But when it comes to work, they just seem like they just take their sweet time. I don't know if they overbooked or, you know what I'm saying, less staff. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? If y'all got these old schools or any car in general, you're dealing with these shops, y'all already know. But yeah, at this big age, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never really had bad mouth no shops like that. Cause I only deal with so many myself. But I've been lately trying to give people a chance. And man, it's crazy. At this big age myself, my time just as important as my money. I don't know about anybody else, but my time, you know what I'm saying? It ain't no joke. Me personally, I run a tight schedule. I got a lot of stuff going on, you know what I'm saying? No disrespect to anybody, ain't got nothing going on, but I got a lot going on, a lot on my plate, you know what I'm saying? A lot of responsibility. And I take care of all my business, I handle all my business. You know, so with that being said, you know, you gotta be tight with, you know what I'm saying, how you move, you know what I'm saying, how you move in your time. And like I said, my time is just important as my money. But yeah, man, dealing with some of these folks who would almost discourage you, you know what I'm saying, from even trying to do a little something, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It really is. My advice, I would say, just stick to who you know. If you got a good shop or two, you know what I'm saying, that you used to, you know what I'm saying, and handling your business, and they getting you right, and they call you and they communicate, just stick with them. You know, sometimes people put you on, or, you know, you may try to branch out or Google somebody and look at their reviews, or they got a 4 or 5 star rating. It may not work out for you like it worked out for everybody else. You know what I'm saying? It may not be like that. Your experience may be different from anybody else's or somebody else's, you know, so you gotta be very careful. You know, like I said, especially, you know, you getting older and stuff, you just ain't got the time. You know what I'm saying? Everything pricey, you know what I'm saying? So that's another thing too, like, you may have to wait a little longer, or you may pay a little more, you know what I'm saying, for the convenience, you know. But I got this one shop I've been dealing with about 2-3 years. They been getting me right. Anything, you know what I'm saying? Any work I need done, suspension or anything, they been getting me right. And never had no issues out of them. Never. You know, I can go home and take a nap if I need to. By the time I wake up, you know what I'm saying, noon or 1, it's done. You know what I'm saying? None of that late stuff. None of that, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that for a little bit. Like I said, letting this truck warm up. Y'all let me know in the comments what you experienced, or, you know what I'm saying, dealing with these shops and whatnot, or what state, you know what I'm saying, or who you dealt with similar scenarios. Because I know it's a lot out there. Like I said, I seen the talk, I done heard the talk. And like I said, I done dealt with it myself a little bit. Every now and then, here and there, you know, especially with the communication. I think really that's the problem. Foremost, you know what I'm saying, that communication. Communication is key. And that go with a lot of stuff just in life in general. You know, so that communication. If you know somebody tell you something, that's what it's gonna be, then that's what it's gonna be. But that lack of communication, then you having to guess, second guess, just and the third, nah, that ain't the way. You know what I'm saying? It ain't professional. It ain't none of that. You know, so yeah, definitely choose wisely. You know what I'm saying? We getting these work done with these cars and stuff like that. Just in general, doing business with people. You know, gotta be very careful. Very careful, you know. It's good to build a relationship, have connections. You know what I'm saying? It truly is. But you just gotta be mindful. You really do. Moving forward and stuff like that. You may have to deal with a little something. You know? That's just what it is. You may have to deal with a little something. It may not be smooth. You know, but that's on you. You know what I'm saying? When to draw that line, you know what I'm saying, pull back, whatever. You know. But yeah, I ain't gonna wrap y'all head off. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit while I was letting the truck warm up. But shoot, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. All right, keep grinding, stay positive. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you gotta do. By any means, gang. We out. Yeah, y'all. What I meant to say. My fault. I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? Going to the job and whatnot. Getting this bread. But yeah, I meant to say also, if you can do the work yourself, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, do the work yourself, because that's been helping me out a lot with the truck. You know what I'm saying? Being very hands-on. You can always get on YouTube. YouTube is your friend. Certain stuff you don't know how to do, get on YouTube. 9 times out of 10, somebody did it before you. So you can just look and see how they did, and you know what I'm saying, go about it, reading the directions, and just try it out. You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't know unless you try. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you could do the work yourself, save you some time and some money, do that too. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's been helping me out a lot. I meant to say that in the video. But yeah, that's that on that. I appreciate the support, and definitely I'll type in back in with y'all. All right.